Hello, my name is Don Chater. Got your website up here. Very beautiful website. I saw one of your trucks out, driving out in Chicagoland area, and I do search engine optimization. I get websites at the top of Google, and I was doing some research on your website. I noticed you don't even appear on Google when I use this tool here, so I wanted to show you some. See if I do Chicago caterers. Oops, let me re-log in here. There we go. I don't know where that Fint company came from. Chicago caterers. I don't know how to spell catering. So let's see. So it's pretty difficult keyword, very competitive. Let me see here. So like caterers in Chicago. So we got Yelp. Yelp's usually easy to beat. So I could tap you into these 250 words. I'll give you a free tip here. So let's see if I can use another keyword thing here, just to show you a few things you could do to your website, just so Google knows who you are and index you. So the title of your website, so La Cuisine Catering, that's good. It's got your branding. And yeah, you want Chicagoland, so I would put Chicago Catering, and then your name. So same thing in the meta description right here. B Pizza, WordPress theme for pizza lovers. So obviously you got a WordPress. I love WordPress. Very easy to work with. But there's I would again put a Chicago pizza, or pizza Chicago catering, and then La Cuisine again, and then same thing with a H1 header tag. There is none, so I would again put catering, Chicago catering, and then let's see, H2 tags. These are good. Weddings, corporate. So you want to tell Google exactly who you are, what you do. We'll find your website, and then give those 250 people that are searching per month. So that's you'll rank at the top of Google and other search engines. So I hope that tip and trick helps. I do this for a living, and I can send you some more tips and tricks, but I wanted to keep a short video here since I saw your truck and was researching you a little bit. And again, my name is Don Chater. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.